Hi, it's Andy again, coming at you with another popular style window. This here is called a two-light glider, and it's pretty popular in homes to take out two separate windows and we can put one big one in to save you money as well. This one here actually has a couple locks on it and it slides over. That's why it's called a glider. It glides over. You can open it from one side or the other, or you can open both sides if you like to get some air infiltration coming through your house. So if you like what you see, don't be afraid to pick up the phone and call us at 260-748-7980, and we'd be happy to come out and take a look at what you have, measure everything up, and get you a price right down to the penny. We also offer financing if that's needed, and everything is done in the home. It's super simple and easy, and we make the process nice and easy for the customer. So give us a call here at the office or stop in our showroom at 4633 Lima Road in Fort Wayne, and we'll be happy to take care of you. Thanks.